Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Kalshi's ID verification not working, taking forever to approve, saying your application is not registering, or camera is failing when you try to scan your ID? Here's what to fix on your iPhone. First, go to settings on your iPhone and then scroll down to find Kalshi in the list of apps or just directly search for it. Tap on it and check your camera's permissions. Make sure it is set to allow. Without camera permission, Kalshi cannot photograph your ID during verification. Also, check that your microphone is also set to allow on the same page after fixing permissions. Go back and check photos. Make sure Kalshi can access your photos if you're uploading an ID image from your camera roll. When you go through Kalsi's verification process, make sure you're in a good lighting when photographing your ID. Blurry or dark photos are the most common reason ID verification fails. Also, make sure the date of birth you've entered during the sign up exactly matches your government ID. Even one digit different will cause automatic rejection. If you've submitted wrong verification more than a month ago and it's still pending, that is a Kalshi support issue. Contact them to help.kalshi.com. So all you gotta do is go to settings, Kalshi, go to camera roll, and then allow it. Photos to allow, good lighting, and for ID photos, date of birth must match exactly. Still pending after a month. Contact Kalshi support, and that's it. Subscribe.